it's Mandy Ross, and I'm glad you could join me. I am with Gwen's Foxy Nest, and I make your nest the foxiest. I actually just became a Chalk Couture independent designer, and I'm here today to kind of talk to you about just 3 things you need to actually get started with the Chalk Couture project. So this is just the minimum that and the basics that you need to get started, the most economical way to get started with Chalk Couture. So honestly, you'll need a transfer, and I got this one backwards, so I'm going to take it out, a squeegee, and some chalk paste, okay? Just 3 things. You have a surface at home, I promise that you can use it on, okay? So let's talk about the transfers. This is actually from our November Club Couture transfer, and it's an exclusive design that only members can get, okay? So this was Oh What Fun. And the silk screen transfers are just that. They're silks. There's actually a silk screen on the transfer. If you can kind of see it, there's actually a screen on the designs, and that's how you get the clean and crisp look. And we have very detailed designs that make your projects go wow. But that's how you get it, is because these little transfers are sticky, and then they have the silk screen in the details. Okay. The next thing you would need would be your paste and your mini squeegee, okay? The paste is actually a mix between old school chalk paint and old school chalk and chalk paint, okay? It's in between. So if it was the old school chalk, you would, obviously you would smudge your project as soon as you got it on, right? So this is, one of the projects I did with this transfer. Your grandkids, your kids can touch it all they want. It's not coming off, okay? If it was paint, it would actually be permanent, right? And so the design and the beauty about Chalk Couture is that everything's reusable, and you're able to stay in style and in season without having to buy a whole new set of projects or wall hangings or decor, okay? So once Christmas is over, I can actually take, and with just a little bit of elbow grease and a wet cloth, I can wipe this off and put a new design on it, okay? That's what's great about our Chalk Couture paste and our surfaces. So the 3 things you need to get started would be a silk screen transfer, paste, and a mini squeegee, okay? You can go to my store and you can pick those out. There's another great option would be our Chalk Couture Club. It's a monthly subscription, so you get monthly mail, a monthly happy mail each month. The designs are exclusive, so no one else can get them unless you're in the club. It's $20 a month. Another very economical way to get started. It gets shipped right to your door, and you get the transfer and 3 paste singles. And then if you become a club member under me, I'll send you a mini squeegee and a catalog, and so that way you can get started and look through the different designs on what else you would like to order. But let's see what else I'm going to tell you. But really, you have a surface at home. I promise you. You can put it on glass. You can put it on mirrors. You can put it on an old photo frame. Canvas, fabric. You have something at home that you can get started with Chalk Couture. You don't have to spend a fortune getting involved. Okay, you can start very slowly and build on your products. Okay, and that's exactly what Club Couture, the monthly subscription club, is great for. Is that it's $20 a month, and now you're building, your inventory for different projects. I'll be able to use this silk screen transfer 8 to 12 times. This paste will last me forever because you really only use very little for your projects. So, it's a very economical way to get started. It's a very economical way to do DIY crafts that really update your home and keep them in style and in season. So if you would like to join, you'd like to see more tips, or you'd like to see me do projects on a weekly basis, I do giveaways and I do sample packs. If you would like to see more of that, you can join my VIP group, and just type in VIP, and I'll get you the link so you can join. I can't put you in there unless you request it. If you would like more on the Club Couture, the subscription monthly box, just type in Club, and I'll get you the link for that. If you just want to shop and just kind of browse and see what we have available, we have different designs. Every 3 months, we have our own in-house designers. So, every 3 months, we're updating our inventory and bringing in new designs and retiring old ones. So, just type in shop, and I'll get you a link as well. So happy chalking, and I appreciate you stopping by. Bye.